Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shortcut on the Google Chrome homepage. So first you need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Then after you have to navigate the website you want to add as a shortcut. As an example, I like to go to google.com. Just tap on it. Okay, now you are in the google.com. Once you are in that website, you have to tap on this new tab icon. Once it is open, you can see add shortcut option is appear here. Just simply tap on it. You can give the name for that shortcut. I like to set as a Google. Then after again come back to the previous website and select the address bar URL in that website. Right click on it, tap on copy, go to the new tab option and paste the URL in here like this. Tap on done. So you can see now it is appear. Once you come to that website, you can just tap on the shortcut icon. You can see now you are in that website. There is another method you can try to create shortcut. So first you need to come to that decide website. Then after tap on three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and go to more tools. Then after actually not more tools, you have to go to cast, save and share, because more tools option is the old version. So currently it is on this one, cast, save and share. Select create shortcut on the side menu. Then after you can give the name for that one. I like to keep it as a Google. Then after create. So you can see, but this time this will create shortcut on your computer desktop. So you can simply go from your computer desktop. So previous method is create a shortcut on the Google Chrome homepage. This method create shortcut on your desktop. So you can customize your shortcut by just tap on three dots, edit shortcut. You can change your URL, you can name, kind of things. Please remember Chrome allow up to 10 shortcuts in the homepage menu. So you have to add 8 more shortcuts from the homepage. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like it this video.